All right, guys, you think you can see to weld with your glasses on? You can't. You can't see good enough. These glasses are extra dark. I was welding earlier with them on, and I couldn't see good enough to weld. If you'll just get some glasses that are not so dark, get a lighter lens if you're going to wear dark glasses. The trouble I'm having with the people that I'm teaching how to weld, they come to this shop that weld, is they can't see. So we need to do anything we can possibly think of to be able to see. This lens, whether you're using an 8, which is a little light for me, a 9, or a 10, 11, that's getting pretty dark. I used to weld with a 12 when I first started out because I was worried about my eyes. I use a 9, 10. I'm like a 9.5. Some lenses are darker than the others. I can see just as good as I could when I was 10, 15. I can see my fingerprints from here to out here. But I always used dark glasses when I was cutting, but not when I'm welding. All right, I guess that's the moral of the story. Use these every time you get a chance, unless you're welding. Don't cut without them. Do not cut without dark glasses. It'll cook your eyes like they're in an oven. All right. I hope any of this made sense because I'm actually jamming out and I can't even hear myself talk. Have an awesome, awesome day. Later.